Now, in a recent interview, Public Works Minister Dean MacPherson expressed deep concerns about the impact of current legislation on South Africa's vital partnerships, particularly in relation to funding for HIV/AIDS initiative. Now, he emphasized the potential risks of losing support, which could have devastating consequences for public health and economic growth. MacPherson reaffirmed his commitment to fostering sustainable partnerships and driving job creation through responsible policy making. Here's what he had to say.
But I really think that the act has become a distraction, quite frankly, from the real work that we need to do. I think it's put us in the crosshairs of our partners, which I think is also not where we want to be. We want to build sustainable partnerships around the world, including with the United States. They are not our adversary, they are a partner, and they've been a long-standing partner. And we've got to get that right, Heidi, because South Africa cannot afford to lose 17% of its funding for HIV/AIDS treatment. That would be devastating and cost people their lives. And many of the decisions that are taken have real-life consequences. And so my goal is to ensure that all of the legislation that falls within my department and that I have influence of, or over at least, is able to drive investment, drive job creation, and drive growth. Because that is the number one obsession in the Department of Public Works and Infrastructure. How do we create jobs? We see ourselves as an economic delivery unit. We see ourselves as a catalyst for growth in South Africa. And that's exactly what my daily work will be. And where there are policies and legislation that obviously needs discussions around whether they are contributing or maybe detracting from it, we'll have those conversations, Heidi, but we're going to do them responsibly, we're going to do them collectively, and we're going to do them where they drive the best interests of South Africa.